Hey guys, this is Roundabout Bill from tsi-labs. I'm kidding. This is Andres Galeana from tsi-labs here, giving you guys a POV. Well, I guess a first-person POV of the lab board and how to kind of work with it. But this one we're going to be testing for current. So let's kind of go ahead and do this. For now, I'm going to be using a commercial meter. Yes, I know it's not a Klein, it's not ideal, it's not a fluke, but it gets the job done, so bite me. Anyway, again, this is for Project Little Sport. We're trying to get donations in order to bring this into home schools and anywhere else. People might want to learn how basic electrical circuits work. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and test just a simple light, switch to a light, and see how much current is passing through that little LED that we have right up there. Let's go ahead and get this started. We're going to be getting our neutral or black cable. We're going to connect it to my neutral bus. Again, these 4 pins right next to the grounding connector are interconnected. And we're going to go ahead and connect our red light right up there. Next, we are going to get a red plug cable, and we're going to be going into the output of my single pole switch and onto my LED. Notice that the circuit is open at the moment. I did not bring power directly from my bus to my switch. I'm going to be connecting my meter in series, so like that it goes from my positive into my meter, from my meter onto my switch, and from my switch onto the light itself. But first, let's go ahead and make a couple of changes. We're going to put this exactly on 10 amps. I do not know how many amps are running through this circuit, so we always go with the highest for safety. 2, we're going to put it on amps on the highest setting. We're going to make sure, we want to make sure that it says AC for AC amps or alternating current. I'm going to go ahead and bring my common, again, I'm using the original LEDs of the meter, into my positive bus, and then I'm going to bring my red test LED into the positive of my switch or my input. Now I'm gonna put the phone down right quick. So like that, I'm able to plug in to my extension cord. Again, we do include a charge cable, not charge cable, but a cable so you can connect it. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then anyway, here we go. Let me go ahead and put this down right quick. We're gonna plug in. All right, I am plugged in. I guess you don't need a tutorial for that. If you do, stand by and we'll do one just for you. So again, I have it on alternating current. I'm gonna flip my switch. Notice that my light is on. Current is passing through my meter, and from my meter onto my switch, from my switch onto my light, and obviously the neutral completes the circuit. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna see that the current passing through the meter goes down to 0. It's going up again. We can tell that our LED is currently running on 9 milliamps. This is the cool thing about Project Little Spark, is so you could actually use your meter and work with one hand. As you guys can see, I've been working with one only in order to make this video. So please visit our Kickstarter at Project Little Spark and see if you guys can help us out. If not, we just really appreciate for you to stop by and follow us. And, see what's up, see how far we go. I do plan on making more boards like this, minus the stain. That was a little embarrassing. I spilled my flux bottle while we were soldering the conductors on the bottom of the board. Again, this is Andres Galeana, or Big Dirty Harry. I'm just kidding, from tsi-labs. Hope to see you and get your support. See ya.